guys! I'd like you to meet my baby Ruru. I mean baby Mucho pala. I have 2 cats. Oh, I already have 3 cats. I mean 2 cats and 1 kitten. And this one is Mucho. She's the most mischievous, naughty, playful among them. Here he is. Say, Mucho. Mucho. Look at the camera. Ah! So we're here in my room with my baby. Wow. So we're here in our room chilling. Look at him. Just look at him, guys. He likes to play like that. See? See?
Gago.
He's so mischievous. And the other cats I have is Ruru. But unfortunately, Ruru is the most calmest. And also, he doesn't like to play. Yeah, he's so grumpy. Unlike him. Go play with Titi. Hey, Mucho. Mucho. Baby, baby, boo. Baby, baby, boo. Baby, 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 boo. Baby, baby, boo. Baby, baby, boo. See? Look at him. He's so playful. See? That's what I'm talking about. This is his personality. Guys, I'd like you to meet Ruru. This is him. Just look at how handsome he is. That's what I told you. He's so calm, but sweet, but also a bit grumpy. He doesn't like to play, so we can't play with him. He just always like this. Sit and just relax. This is him. This is Ruru. And hi, this is Chippy. She's a girl. Look at her. This is Chippy girl. Yeah, we have to put her in the cage just to be safe. Hi, baby Ruru. Just look at my baby boy, diba? Oh, I think we need to change your collar. It's already not good. Yeah, we're going to buy you another collar, huh?